What? What? Why are you angry with life? I know. I let you out this morning. I snuck you out, okay? Don't yell at me. Don't be rude about it. Yes, I do love you. You can't take your anger out on other people. You have to be nice to other people, not just me. Okay? Lacey, I know, but you have to be nice to them. I know. Okay. I love you, but I have to go mess with the cutie patootie. You're cute too. Look at my baby girl. Don't slap people, it's rude. He just likes to be touched. His eyes. Look at him. Yo! What's up, fools? This day's the Memorial Day. What? But see what I do with? Y'all can't have none of them. They my sisters.
Really? Do not slam the door.
You should record this.
I did it.
I did it. What the fuck is that?
Hey, watch your language. Y'all want to ride?
Don't.
You see that shit?
I have to come back.
Yeah. Today's Memorial Day. Those were my little sisters. But I wanted to show y'all the cat, but the owners was there, so I wasn't really trying to vlog like that in there. But it's this cat. This cat's fucking funny and crazy as shit. So I'm about to go get gas. I'm about to go home, take my shower, and then head to my cousin's house. But y'all gonna see the popos. Say nah.
Help me come, nigga, there you go with that stuntin' shit. Scoop got the camera, I'm stuntin', bitch.
So I just got to my cousin's house. This nigga. Yeah, this guy there just got here. Traffic wasn't that bad. It was just niggas driving slow and shit. But hold up. Right here, I'll show you the troublemaker.
You speak to your cousins? You speak to your cousin? Hello? You speak to your cousin?
So,
Hey. Ma?
hey.
Come on and speak to your cousin.
Hey, yo.
This is the one that the family rarely sees. She's always posting stuff.
All through my city, they know the boy. Whipping the foreign, they know it's young. All through my city, I make the noise. They fucking with me, they know I'm the one. Put enough for my section. Gotta do the shit for my day ones. Put enough for my section. Can't never forget where I came from. They know I'm the one. Fucking with me cause they know I'm the one. They know I'm the one. Fucking with me cause they know I'm the one. Put enough for my section. Gotta do the shit for my day ones. Put enough for my section. Can't never forget where I came from. Remember them times, late nights, we were strapped up. Full clip on the hip, make a bitch nigga back up. It was me and P, boy, there nigga try to act up. Now the only mission is trying to get these stacks up. Came from the bottom, straight from the trenches. I'm in this game playing, y'all on the benches. If you ain't with us, then you against us. How can I forget all the times hopping all them fences? I can tell you how it go. Run around in the barrio, putting work in his audios. Remember nights running from Solario. Shit was so hectic, shit gave me headaches. Now the only mission for young niggas to get it. All through my city, they know the boy. Whipping the foreign, they know it's young. All through my city, I make the noise. They fucking with me, they know I'm the one. Put enough for my section. Gotta do the shit for my day ones. Put enough for my section. Can't never forget where I came from. They know I'm the one. Fucking with me cause they know I'm the one.
right here. And that one right there, she crazy. And this one, he the bad boy. He don't care. This one. This the hobby. She a chicken though. She a chicken house. This she don't care about life. This trouble right there. She, I don't know. She crazy. And this little cuzzo. And then that one, you saw her. And that look, that's my little pit bull, y'all. I'm looking for trouble. Hold up. Where she go? God, there she go. That's trouble. Hey, what's up, son? Look at that dead skin stuff right there. We don't have none of that, son. Please stop singing. He's knocked out. Oh, you got me.
What the heck?
What the fuck? Hey, yo, son. Hold up. He put it down. I had his windshield up, though. What the fuck? This nigga. Zoom on his ass. Like, so all stuff. I missed the startup. Hear that? Hear that? It's not loud.
Wipe your face. Did you give everybody
Troublemaker right there.
Go ahead. Give auntie and everybody. Let me.
Look at Olivia.
It's a wreck in my car.
Had a great, hold on, let me turn this off so I don't get copyright. Yeah, had a great ass time with my family. That shit, like, I love this family so, like, I don't mean to say it like this, but this family, it's more, my dad's side is more like accepting. And they're more fun, they're not so stuck up and uppity. I love y'all if y'all watching this. I gave my little vlog channel. Probably not gonna see this till like months later, but you know, I love y'all. Get home safe. And don't be whoop whooping me. No, I love y'all, so be safe. Happy Memorial Day. You know, hope y'all had a safe Memorial Day. And yeah, I got an asshole behind me, so. My other side of the family, they here at the house. My brother's baby mother, like the one I'm closest to, like she's so weird, dude. She's hella fucking weird. But she just fucking stares at you. Like I hate when people do that shit. But yeah, they here. About to interact with them a little bit. Little baby here. I can't vlog them. They not cool. Like my other side of the family that y'all saw. So they're like more, I don't know. But yeah, peace.
I got his hands to the lead. I was in the bed on this one. I had to leave. What's wrong with you?
You want to be in the vlog?
What she do?
She on Snapchat.
This is not Snapchat.
She up? She wake?
Right?
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candle slit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach a destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.